In today's class, you will learn the string slicing concept in Python. Then what is slicing? The slicing is nothing but to extract the substring from the given string. Then what is the syntax of this slicing? Then start index, then stop index, then step index. Each and every these arguments as separated by the colon. Then start, then stop, then step. What is start index? The starting index where the slicing object starts. Then stop index is nothing but the ending index where the slicing object stops. Then step, it is also optional argument that determines the increment between the each index for the slicing. Here the slice is having the three arguments. Then the slicing operation should be applied in the given string. When string has been initialized, how the index will be considered, then how the positive index will be considered, how the negative will be negative indexing will be considered. Please, yeah. Then here the Python is a string. Then positive index will be start with the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then negative indexing. Then negative index will start from right to the left. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Please check it once. Okay, this is the positive indexing. This is the negative index. I will move on to the program. Then here, then I will start the program. How the slicing operation should be applied in the given string. Just I would like to remove these statements. For example, string s equal, then Python has been initialized. Then I would like to extract the substring from the given string using the slicing operation. Then print. Then what is called? Then s of slicing. The starting index should be 1. For example, last index should be 4. And then what is the string which returns by this statement? Then s equal Python, then print, then s of, then s trans slicing, then start 1 is nothing but the starting index, the 4 is nothing but the end index. What is the values which returns? We start from 1 because 1 is nothing but y. Then from this, then it will be uh, extract the substring up to index 4. Index 4 means last, okay, index has not been considered. Then it will be considered up to 1 to 3. The index is 1 to 3 because this is a 1, this is 2, this is 3. Then yth substring has been extracted from the given string. Okay, if it is because the 4, whenever the comment has been given, the 4 minus 1, because last index it has not been included. The 4 minus 1, what is the value? Then 3, because it will be considered from the 1 to 3 indexes. Please observe it very carefully. Got it? Then when I compile it, when I run it, you see here, yeah, the same output we got yth because index 1, index 2, index 3. This is the output has been displayed by the compiler, isn't it? Then I will move on to the next one. Then if I provide the only index, starting index, if it does not provide the end index, but what is the result it returns? Then what is the substring? Then see here the starting index y, from this index all these all the characters should be considered over there. Okay, then because if it does not provide the end index, then it will display from index 1 to the last. Then what is the substring? Python. Okay, the Python will be displayed. Then take it once. Then here, yeah, the Python will be displayed as the output. Please check it once because that is if you provide the only starting index, it does not provide the ending index, which from that index all the characters will be considered. Okay, that is the one thing. Okay, for example, if you have provided the only 5, the last index if does not provide the starting index, but what it returns, what is the substring from the given string? Then here starting from the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pytho is the substring from the given string. Whether it is displayed or not, please run the module. PYTOH. Then one except last character, all the character has been retrieved, returned from the given string. PYTH. Please check it once. Then I'll move on to the code. Then it does not provide in the starting value and ending value. Then what it returns? What is the substring? Then all the characters will be displayed in the given string. Even if it does not provide the starting and end index values, by default all the characters from the given string will be displayed. Then run the module. Then what is the output? Then Python, please check it once. Then all the characters will be displayed from the main string. Okay. That is the thing you should remember. Then for example, the starting index value 1, the ending index value 5, then step value is also provided over there. Then 1 colon 5 colon 2, then 1 means P. Okay, 5 means last index. Thus 2 means step value. Okay, it is each slicing, it is incremented by 2. Then once comes to here, the what is the index 1? Y. Please check it once. The Y is the first index. Then from which the Y will be displayed after directly move to the, it will be incremented by 2. Then direct which go to the H. Okay, because 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 2, because each time when the control moves, it will be added to the current index. The current index value 1, 1 plus 2, then which will move to the character H, index 3. Okay, then after that plus 2, then it come to the year. But here we are providing the only 5, it will be considered up to only here. That's why what is the answer we got it over there. Then Y and H. Y and H. Then take it once whether it is displaying or not. YH. Okay, the starting index should be 1, the last index should be 5. Then each iteration, the each slicing, it will be incremented by 2. Got it? Then now it will be displayed as the output. That is a substring from the given string. Okay, this is about the positive indexing. When you're working with the negative indexing, for example, negative index will be start from right to the left. Okay, the minus 1, n, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I shown to the diagram also. Then minus 5, uh, then minus, it is called minus 2. Then what is the minus 1? This is the minus 1, this is minus 2, this is the minus 3, this is the minus 4. This is called as the minus from which then it will display the characters up to minus 2. Then what is minus 2? Then minus here. This is a substring from the given string. Python is the substring. Isn't it? Please take it once. Whether it is working or not, we will see. Then once you run the module, yeah, YTH. Because why YTH? Why it is displaying YTH? Because the last index minus 1. Okay, this is last index minus 1. Then minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Here, the starting index minus 5, the end index minus 2. Then minus 1 should be added. Minus 2, minus 1, the end index minus 3. That's why then 5, this is called as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, then this is called as the YTH as displayed as the output. Check it once. Yeah, YTH. Isn't it? This is called as what? The negative indexing. Okay, here also if it does not provide anything, then I will close this one. Okay, if it does not provide the cost index value, or what will be considered? Okay, the minus 5, from index minus 5, all the characters will be displayed from the main string. Then check it once whether it is just to run the module. Then what is the output? Yeah, from that index, then all the characters will be considered. That is, the output should be Python. Isn't it? This is a negative indexing slicing operation on the strings. Then here, if it does not provide the, then only if we provided the minus 3, then what it displays? Okay, what it displays? The starting index has not been provided. Then last index minus 3, the starting index 0. Then from the 0, then what is the minus 1, then minus 2, then minus 3, minus 4. Then pyt, the last index minus 1, that's why pyt is the answer. Then check it once. pyt is the answer, isn't it? Are you clear? Then if you have any doubt regarding the slicing operation, you connect me through chat or else mail or else comment box. Thank you all for watching my videos. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.